But if we can crack some of this, you feel me? Then I know that I'm onto something. And look, we're cracking 436.40s. We've cracking the 120. Now we're coming down to my key level, 436.25. It dumped past it, and they immediately tried to buy it up off a previous close. But who's trying to bounce? I mean, I could see why someone would try to buy the dip and bounce it off a previous close, but not after a fade like this. You feel me? Because now we're fading and about to go backside. So last time we faded down to the 120, we bounced, but it was also the 120 in VWAP. So we come down here and cracked the 120. Look, 436.25, like trying to hold that level with all its might and bounce. And look, this is what I mean. Look, there's two levels here. You got 436.25, you have previous close. So it's like basically two supports. I would expect for us to have trouble cracking this. You know what I'm saying? But if we do crack it, then I know like there's a high probability we could have continuation to the downside. And look, 436.40s, the real level that I want to see cracked is 436.25 and then previous close. I do like that we're underneath 436.40s, and it also coincides with the 120, and we seem to be trying to wick to the downside off of it and reject it. But I need us under 436.25 and then flirting with previous close and backside for me to really start feeling good about my positions. But I mean, the 437 puts should be in the money. All right, let's check them. Yeah. They're in the money. They're deep in the money. All right, look, we're looking like we want to crack. Well, I mean, we were. Where'd that bounce come from? 436.25. That's a key level for me. They're trying to dump on it. We just got all these dip buyers in here, bro. Buy the dip mentality. 436.25 support, and then previous close support. I mean, I could go ahead and ring the register on the 437s. They're deep in the money. I'm up 7% on them, but I want to see us reject off the 120 and this 436.40s and crack 436.25 and go backside. They're playing with it. The S&P 500 came all the way down the previous close, basically just what the SPY did, and teased us with the crack of it, and then bounced back up and is chopping around. All right, here comes the rejection. Here it comes. There we go. Come on, man. Who's buying the dip here, bro? Let's go, dude. Let's go. 436.25 is my key level. Trying to crack it. And look, we also wicked all the way down backside for a second. Okay, new candle just opened below the previous candle. We put in a lower low and a lower high, and now we are struggling to hold previous close. By the way, the S&P 500 is already backside, letting me know that the SPY is going to go backside. And we are dumping. The Qs are dumping. The SPY is like fighting hard here, bro. Look, we came down here and bounced off the 120, but remember, it was the 120 and VWAP. This time we came down here, tried to bounce off the 120. It wasn't quite enough. We ended up cracking it. Look, now we're in between previous close and 436.25. 436.25 is trying. It was looking like it was going to act as resistance. Okay. Let's just get us some follow through, please. There's the VWAP slant. Every time VWAP slants down, like we see a bounce, but 9 times out of 10, it's immediately followed with some fading. Okay. Oh, we're cracking my key level, 436.25. Come on, let's open a candle underneath the key level. Let's put in a lower low. Okay. Right now. Let's open a new candle below my key level, 436.25. All right. Now flirting with previous close, trying to go backside. Oh, they tried to buy it. We cracked. We've gone backside on the SPY. Now, a new candle needs to open below previous close. There we go. So now I got the 437s in the money. The 436s are in the money. What I'm afraid of is VWAP, because we bounced so hard right here of VWAP. And honestly, I might go ahead and ring the register here. Well, no, why would I? Look, we're dumping. So 437's in the money. 436 is in the money. Can we get the 435s? I also have 434s, just in case we decide to dump. All right, so we're on VWAP now. But VWAP doesn't have the 120 running parallel to it. So let's see if it has enough strength. No, it doesn't. Let's see that VWAP slant. Remember, every time I see that VWAP slant, we get like a little bounce, and then it's followed by more fading. Like, just like I said. Look at that. Look at that. Going down, baby. Okay. Now I need to ring the register here. But how far can we go? Is what I'm curious about now. Let's go, baby. Oh, I'm cashing out, dude. 437 puts. Let's go ahead and sell those for a decent little profit there. Get me out.
Order filled.
Thank you, sir. Nice doing business with you. And look, I still got the 436s, the 435s, 434s. And dude, if we keep fading like this, bro, oh my God. If we keep fading like this, dude, I mean, honestly, I can go ahead and be done for the day. But look at this fade, dude. Look at that. That's a decent fade, boy.